If you're looking at starting a blog, I would highly recommend using WordPress. So I have done other videos on why you should use WordPress, but I'm going to show you something that is very easy to miss, and that is for the Kadence theme, how to make the mobile menu full screen. I'll go ahead now and show you how to do that. I'm logged into my dashboard, and from here I'm going to click on Appearance, and then I'm going to click on Customize. From here we're going to do header and footer. We're going to select tablet and mobile menu, and then from here you've got the off canvas setting, and here this is where you can change it to be either full width or a side panel. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments below.